So in this trick, we are going to see how to find last two digits of a given product. For example, if you take 16 into 15, the result is 240, in which the last two digits are 40. But in your exams, you will not be getting two-digit numbers to multiply. Instead, you will be getting more than four-digit numbers. For example, find the last two digits of the product 2016 into 1815. Now in this case, you don't have to go for multiplying all the given digits. Instead, as we need the last two digits, it is enough to take the last two digits of each of the product given. So 16 here and 15 here. So what is 16 into 15? Again 240, in which the last two digits are 40. So the same 40 would be the last two digits of this product as well, 2016 into 1815 as well. So let's take another example, 18,240 into 21,612. So if you want to find the last two digits of this one, so take 40 into 12, because 40 is the last two digits over here and 12 is the last two digits here. So what is 40 into 12 is nothing but 480, in which the last two digits are 80. So 80 will be the last two digits of this 5-digit product. Thank you.